Good morning, traders. This morning, when we're opening up trading room, price at day trading Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. Price been at this reversal zone since October 4th. Intelligent trader knew it is not an option to enter into this level. Market complete disaster, complete chop, complete junk. Until Trump states no stimulus talk until after the election. This is a stunning opportunity to buy as low as possible. Brilliant, intelligent move. Because that's what Morgan Stanley, JP Morgan, everyone else is doing. With 7-8-figure accounts, buying the pullbacks. This is institutional chart where millions and billions of dollars are traded. So if you understand that and you're looking at this chart this morning, you are praying for powerful bearish pullback. If there is none, nothing here to do. Software also showing you clearly it's a resistance. Price reminding you to the tick. Never ever ever enter into the bold red line. But you knew this days in advance with Alpha Fibonacci long-term levels that we discuss in every Thursday class. So if I convert this chart right now to 3, what do you see? The power of the system, identifying days in advance. This is not the place to buy. This is a place to expect reversal from. Your last buy at this support. And if I convert this chart to 5, this is exact same thing. Better buy is here. Now is a problem. This is the most important moment in your trading. When you understand that institutions continue buying every pullback, when you understand that there are 0 shorts in front of you, none, it's massive, massive junk, price is stuck. Intelligent trader understands what to pay attention to, what separates powerful selling pressure from none. Now is none. Buyers exhausted and sellers are worthless. Market is stuck. This is the most important moment in your trading. This is when you stop losing your mind, stop losing your money, stop wasting time. In regular market conditions, this play out 40% of the time. In current market conditions, 80% of the time. So what do? You save your energy for election. You choose your gem carefully. Very, very carefully. So if you choose to touch the market right now, you better know where the bright pink line is. Because if you don't, you are in serious trouble. Buyers fully in charge. Price is stuck and frozen. Prior, much better buy. Million times better if you buy at bright green line. Now, absolutely no sellers. Crawl is on, pain is on. This bold pink line is everything in this market. If you understand the power of Alpha Fibonacci System traded globally, you understand these are the worst, absolutely worst markets. So when I ask my incredible students, what have they done without my hand holding? Boom! They are on a roll. Jason killing it. Silver and gold. Emmanuel, not yet. We're dealing with the worst markets. Look at that. His wife Jennifer, despite having 2 little babies at home, killing it on NQ. Charles, 15 ticks micro S&P. Jennifer, another 12 points NQ. Mel, 61 points Dow. Boom. If these traders can do it, so can you. Flawless. Incredible work, everyone. Did we know or did we know that the end of the minor trend would be a problem? Of course. It remains a problem. This is ultimate precision and ultimate simplicity of the system. Traders with few $100 account to 7-figure down account to 8-figure account trading Alpha Fibonacci System globally for the last 10 years. Boom. That's the power of the system during the worst market conditions. Obey, bright pink line, is what we discuss every morning, because this is the only way you succeed during brutal markets. It never gets old, I promise. The power of bright pink line, proprietary Alpha Fibonacci level during this brutal markets. Here's pound, respected the end of the minor trend, bright pink line for 7 years. Hedge fund manager in Switzerland using long-term Alpha Fibonacci system on pound. On euro, it was exact same thing. Where euro reversed from. On Apple, Apple froze at this level for months, 2018, until moving drastically higher. So did Amazon for many months until moving higher. Non-stop, multiple examples. No matter what you trade, this is the most important level. Obey and respect, especially during the worst market conditions. There is no other way to trade. If you obey the end of the minor trend during the worst markets, you are in excellent shape. Nothing else is possible. Price been here for the last hour. So here we go. This is what intelligent trader does. So it's an honor when veteran trader joining the course, trader that has 35 years experience trading hundreds and hundreds of lots. But look what he does while driving around, operating his other full-time business. He's trading Alpha Fibonacci System. This is first week. First. Boom. That's it. Did this driving around from my laptop. I don't recommend you do this. Gerald can. And when I receive the biggest compliment from veteran trader, this means the world. Here's another email from Gerald. Boom! Trading 2 minutes on Sunday. And as Gerald shares, thank you, you make trading a joy. Let me remind you again, we are in the worst market conditions. Do you understand that? And that's only one student with many others this morning. So if you're joining us, it would be one of the smartest things you have ever done. Because mastering worst market conditions is the most important part of your trading. This is when trading becomes a joy. When you stop wasting money, when you stop losing your mind, when you stop staring aimlessly at the screen, when you know when the best opportunity is present, and you trade as a sniper, spending very little time in front of the screen. So right now by far is the best time to join. We are setting up for our annual event. This annual event will not repeat for at least 3 years, I promise you that. I will not be teaching Genesis again until at least 2023. If you're signing up to join us right now as a new student, Genesis System, Genesis Bootcamp included. Every day you will learn more than the previous many years. As many graduates joining us again and again and again for all current and future bootcamps. Waiting list of graduates who sign up for all current and future bootcamps for one simple reason. Every bootcamp is better and better and better. Not a minute wasted. So 14-year-old Dominic can trade it. If complete beginner Pablo can become professional trader and trade live after a couple of weeks in the course, if Brett can quadruple his account, making prior $9 an hour, and you saw Emmanuel in this room, and you can see what Ken does and how David killing it on multiple instruments, listen to podcasts, view students' performance. Thousands and thousands more emails will be uploaded. My poor tech support, do you know how much time it takes to do this? Non-stop. It keeps coming and pouring. We'll continue uploading more and more emails. Because if these traders can do it, so can you. All you have to do, make an effort. Every minute in a bootcamp will be precious. All the details about bootcamp here. And if you click on Alpha Fibonacci Total Trading System, all of these 4 options will include bootcamp. In the course and bootcamp will be traders who trade micro accounts, will be traders who trade institutional size account, will be traders who trade 5 lots on micro S&P and traders who trade 500 lots on S&P and 800 lots on pound. You decide what you want to trade. Choice in yours. This is the best event ever. It will not repeat again for years. So please review this page and recognize the dates of the bootcamp include the most volatile event ever. This is the reason we're starting bootcamp week before election. The election night market will change instantly to extreme volatility. This will be ultimate test for you, ultimate test for your trading. If you know how to manage worst to the best, most extreme markets, you will do great forever. That's it. Please review. And if you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298. Thank you, traders. As again, Dow remains in exact same spot. Nothing else is possible. Only this. Intelligent trader knows this well. Intelligent trader does not speculate, does not babysit the markets, does not waste time on junk. Saving time, saving energy for extreme volatility. So if you can manage this, if you can deal with this, you're golden forever. And that's the reason for boot camp during the worst versus best markets. You must be prepared.